Oh no, the stock market is crashing, the prices are falling, everything is going down. What are we going to do? Hey there, Moore here, and thank you for joining me on the channel today. Today we're going to talk about what would happen if the stock market was to crash, and should we really care too much about it as an individual investor on our investing journey for the future and our future selves. So let's get into it. So the stock market is crashing. What would I personally do if the stock market was crashing, if the prices were going down, and everything was just dropping? Would I panic? Would I sell my investments? Would I sell my stocks? Would I sell my positions that I have in order to get the gains that I can, in order to get the money out of it that I possibly can, liquidate it, get the cash, get it here, get it now before the value goes down? And the simple answer is no. I will not sell a single one of them just because the overall macro of the stock market is dropping. If the overall macro of the stock market is dropping, then I'm actually going to look at this as an opportunity, as a possibility and a time to invest more money into the stock market. Why? Why would I do something like that? Because I'm a dividend stock investor. I focus primarily on dividend stocks, and the idea that my stocks or my positions, the companies that I truly believe in, that I think can handle the test of time, when they crash and go down, it's not that it's going to scare me. If I have a stock that drops down 90%, that's a 90% discount. Typically, most of the positions that I have, most of the companies that I invest in, they don't decrease their dividend payout. I've invested in some companies, they have increased their dividends every single year consecutively for 20 years. One of them, I believe, for over 50 years. They've increased the dividend payout that they do every single year through multiple different stock crashes. Through the 2020 stock crash, the 2008 tech stock crash, the real estate bubble, through these tech stock market crash in the 90s. They've increased their dividends through it, and if it's going to happen again, they're going to continue to do it. They're going to increase the value of the dividend payout that they do every single year, and if I can buy shares of the company at 90% value that it is right now, I can buy 90% more dividend paying items, dividend paying shares than I could. The value of my dollar, the purchase power of my dollar to be able to generate more wealth in the future becomes 90 times more effective than it was before the crash. So if there's a stock market crash, I'm not panicking. I'm not selling. I am not going to panic sell my stuff out and add to the fire of decreasing the overall value of that stock market. I'm actually going to take my money and take the cash that I have, and I'm going to invest more into it because it's going to help increase my overall return on investment. And how you can measure your overall success in the future, you need to really understand just what that return on investment or the ROI actually is. And I've done a video that's going to be right here on the screen. Click on it and I'll see you on that video as we understand what return on investment is.